Hi everyone, myself Prezi. Welcome back to my channel Commerce Class. This video is about capital budgeting. Capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is a process of making investment decision in capital expenditure. What is capital expenditure? Capital expenditure means the expenditure, the benefit of which are expected to be received over the period of time exceeding 1 year. Expenditure is incurred at one point of time, whereas benefits of expenditure are realized at different point of time in future. Expenditure incurred for acquiring or improving fixed asset is an example of capital expenditure. Here the benefit are expected to be received over number of years in future. Capital budgeting involves planning and control of capital expenditure. It's a process of deciding whether or not to commit resources to a particular long-term project whose benefits are to be realized over a period of time longer than 1 year. Capital budgeting is long-term planning for making and financing proposed capital outlay. It is concerned with allocation of firms' scarce financial resources among available market opportunities. Now we will discuss about definition of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is a complete process of gathering investment proposals, evaluating, ranking and selecting best alternatives, monitoring and making follow-up on investments made. In capital budgeting, first we want to find out the investment proposals, and then we want to evaluate all the available investment proposals. Then we want to prioritize them, then select the best alternatives with the help of or using some techniques, profitability analysis technique. Then we want to monitor, and last stage of capital budgeting is follow up. We have to follow these all procedures in capital budgeting because we are investing a huge amount in various investment proposals, and these are really risky. So we want to properly analyze each and every investment proposals. Need and importance of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting means planning for capital asset. Capital budgeting is a step-by-step process. Here we analyzes each and every investment proposals and selecting the best profitable investment proposal. These decisions require careful analysis because they are usually the most difficult and risky decisions. Large investment. Capital budgeting decisions involve large investment of fund, but there is limited availability of financial resources. So it is very important for a firm to plan and control its capital expenditure. The second one, long-term commitment of fund. These decisions requires large amount of fund and they are permanent or long-term decisions, and also involves high degree of risk. That's why you want to properly plan and control the capital expenditure decisions. Irreversible nature. Capital budgeting decisions are irreversible. Once the decisions for acquiring a permanent asset is taken, it becomes very difficult to dispose these assets without incurring any heavy loss. Then, long-term effect on profitability. These decisions have long-term and significant effect on profitability of a concern. Not only the permanent earnings of firm are affected, but also the future growth and profitability of the firm depends upon the investment decisions. To avoid over-investment and under-investment in fixed asset, capital budgeting is a must. The next one, difficulties of investment decision. These decisions involve some difficulties like uncertainty of future, high degree of risk, then decisions extend to a series of years, etc. So a capital budgeting is necessary to overcome these difficulties. Next point, national importance. Investment decisions taken by individual concern is of national importance because it determines employment, economic activity, and economic growth. While taking decision, management should be very careful. Capital budgeting process. Capital budgeting is a complex process which involves decisions relating to the investment of current fund for the benefit to be achieved in future. Future is always uncertain. Capital budgeting process involves first one, identify investment proposal, second one, screen proposal, third one, evaluate various proposals, fourth one, fix priority, then next one, final approval, and last one, implement the proposal, and last one is review performance. First one, identification of investment proposals. Capital budgeting process begins with identification of investment proposals. The proposal or idea about potential investment opportunity may originate from top management or from the worker of any department or any officer of the organization. The departmental head analyzes various proposals in the light of corporate strategies and submit suitable proposal to the capital expenditure planning committee in case of large organization or to the officers concerned with the process of long-term investment decisions. And second one is screening the proposals. The expenditure planning committee screens the various proposals received from different departments. The company views these proposals from various angles to ensure that these are in accordance with corporate strategy. The third one, evaluation of various proposals. In this step, we evaluate profitability of various proposals. For that, firm usually uses traditional and modern capital budgeting techniques. Next one, fixing priority. After evaluating various proposals, unprofitable proposals may be rejected and establish priorities after considering urgency, risk, and profitability involved in each proposal. The next step is final approval and preparation of capital expenditure budget. Proposals meeting the evaluation and other criteria are finally approved to be included in capital expenditure budget. This budget lays down the amount of estimated capital expenditure to be incurred on fixed asset during the budget period. The next step is implementing proposals. Investing fund in various proposals, that is implementing proposal. Last one is performance review. Last stage of capital budgeting is evaluation of the performance of the project. Evaluation is made through post-completion audit by way of comparing actual expenditure on the project with budgeted expenditure. And also by comparing actual return from the investment with anticipated return. The unfavorable variance, if any, should be looked into and the causes of same be identified so that corrective actions may be taken in future. That's about capital budgeting. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye.